In this video, here I am going to explain how to insert equation. Inserting equation is very important for, especially for the maths teachers. They have to type down various type of equation. It is very difficult to type down equation in Word environment. Therefore, you need to use equation editor. That PowerPoint, even Word is provide that facility. The PowerPoint also provide that facility to insert the different type of equation. Right. In this video, the first I am going to explain how you can insert the video. Insert the equations. Right. Then after learning that inserting the equation, then I am explain the converting normal PowerPoint document into PDF. Right. That today it is also very important, especially when you are getting the printouts and moving the documents. The PDF are very important. Therefore, you need to know how to convert PPT or PowerPoint document into the PDF. Then after that, I am explaining how to save your document. These are the things we are going to learn from this video. Right. Then first we'll see how can insert the equation. To do that, the first you want to click on the insert from the main ribbon. Right. Look at the mouse around in. My mouse is moving to the insert. Click on the insert tab here. After you click on the insert tab there, then you can display the insert ribbon tab, insert ribbon here. Right, the equation editor you can find the right corner of the insert ribbon. Actually, in here, that look at the my mouse is moving. Here equation, the name is equation. This equation icon there. If you want to insert a simple equation, then best thing is click on the icon here. If you click on the down arrow here, then it will give some format, already formatted type of equation. If you are trying to insert in one of the type, then you can select the required type. If you are supposed to insert in a simple equation, then just click on the icon there. Right. Click on the equation icon here. Then I am going to click on it. Look at my mouse pointer. Move to the equation icon here. Click on the equation icon. Once you click on there, then in the slide, you can see the equation editor. This is the place where you are typing your equation. Right. For example, suppose you want to type this equation. Start from A equal, then B squared plus B squared plus A divided by B. Right. That's the initial equation I am going to put here. Right. That the first term you are going to type B squared. Right. To type the B squared, move your mouse pointer to the structures group. Right. Structures group is available in this area in the equation editor bar. Structure group. Then select the script. Under structure group, you have the option called script. This is the place where you are getting the structure to type the power values. Right. Click on the down arrow here. Right. Now select the power structure. That's the first one. This is called superscript structure. Superscript structure. Click on here. Right. Once you click on there, now in the equation editor, you can see the format. And there are two boxes, large box for base value. The base value is supposed B, and the small box for power value, B to the power of 2. That's the way how you can insert the equation. Then you need to extend this equation. That means you want to add further terms. Then may remember here, press the left arrow key. Right, press left arrow key. Then you can type the plus mark. Suppose you are extending this equation by typing the plus mark. Now you can type plus mark here. Right. Then second term, suppose b divided by c. You want to type b divided by c. Then the first thing is you want to select the structure format. All the structures are available in the structures group. This time here giving the first option, giving the format x divided by y. That's the format. Click on the arrow here. Right now you are going to insert a division. There are a few division types available. Select the first one, this one. Click on here. Right. Once you click on there, now you can see the division format. Here having two boxes in between, there's a division mark. Right. The above value is suppose A, the below value suppose C. A divided by C. That's the way how you can insert the equation. Suppose the same equation you can extend further by adding further terms. Then if you want to add further terms, remember in this time, click the left arrow that earlier I mentioned it. Right? That is important. Click left arrow key. Then only you can add the terms, further terms. Right? Suppose then you want to plus again. And third term in this time, suppose square root value. You want to insert the square root value. Therefore, go to the structures. Then find the square root values are available in this third option here. Radical values. Click on the arrow here. Right. Now you can select the format, the type there. Suppose you want to insert in this format here. Click on the square root format. Right. Now you can see the square root format on your equation editor. There's a small box here to insert the value. Right. Suppose you want to insert 20. In that way, you can add any number of terms to your equation. After you type in the equation, then just move your mouse out of the box, then click here. Then your equation is inserting your slide. Right. That's the way that if you want to edit this equation, then move your mouse pointer to the equation here and click on it. Right. After that, you can edit your equation. Right. That's the way how you can insert the equation. Right. In this video, again, now I am going to explain how can convert your normal PPT PowerPoint document into PDF. Right. Suppose this document you want to save as or you want to convert as a PDF document. Right. This is the way how you can save in or how you can convert in it. Suppose this is the document you are going to convert into the PDF. The first step, go to the file menu, the file in the main ribbon tabs. The first one is the file. Click on the file here. Once you click there, then you can appear this type of screen. This is the place where you are going to select in the other options. In this time, you want to select save or save as. And if you are going to save this document first time, either save or save as, you can select. Right. This time you are going to convert your document into PDF. Right. Then select save as. Click on the save as. Then after you select the save as, then you can see this save as environment. Actually, this is very similar to saving your document. Right. Now this is the place where before saving you want to decide the place where you are going to save it. Then you can browse your folder to save. by clicking the browse button here. Right. Click on the browse. Suppose your document going to save in the D drive, then select the D drive, and suppose you want, then you can select the folder to save it. Suppose in this time you are going to save your document in the that first folder here, the triple A. Then double click on the folder which you want to save. Right. Then to convert this document into PDF, what you want to do is change the save as type. Change the save as type here. Right. The save as type is by default set in as PowerPoint presentation. Right. Then click on the down arrow here. Then change the save as type into PDF. Now you can save. Click on the save button here. Right. I am going to click the save button here. Once you click the save button there, then your document automatically convert into the PDF document. Right. This facility is only given to the version beyond the 2010 environment, MS Office 2010. All the versions after 2010 available this convert into PDF facility. Right. Then learn how to save it. That similar steps you can follow to follow the save the document. Right. Then similar step. That means click on the file, save as, then select the place where you are going to save your document. You can browse the folder from this option here. Then select the place where you want to save the document. Suppose, for example, you are going to save it in the D drive. I am selecting the same folder, this triple A folder. Double click on it. Now under file name, this is the default name that automatically taken by the computer. If you want, you can change it. Change the name. You can give your own name here. Right? Suppose your own name introduction. Your own name here introduction. Right. Then this time do not want to change the save as type. Save as type by default set as PowerPoint presentation. And therefore no need to change the save as type. Keep it the same one. Only if you want, you can give the file name, change the file name, and click save button here. Click the save button here. Once you click the save button here, then your document is saved. Right? You are saving your document as introduction. That name is appear at the top. This title bar in the middle, title bar appear the introduction, your name of the PowerPoint. The PowerPoint files are normally store by taking the PPT extension, .ppt extension. That's the way saving document. Another point here, suppose you are adding something to the document after saving, then you are updating or adding something like that. Add some documents, some text on your slides. Then if you want to save it again, then no need to go to the file save as, that the long path. No need to follow the long path. Instead, there's a small icon, saving icon in the title bar left corner. Look at my mouse is moving here. Click on the save icon here. Then the document is saved by taking the same name, introduction. Right? By adding something, after adding something, if you want to save the document in the same name, just click the save icon. No need to follow the long path. Then if you want to save it in the different name, then click file, select Save As. By selecting the Save As, you can save the document in different way. That's the difference between save and save. Okay, in this video, I am explaining how to insert the equations, then how to convert your document into the PDF, and how can save a document properly.